So, hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today I'm going to be explaining about this code that I use AI for, okay? About the snake game. So, here's the snake game, and we're going to be talking about it. First, we import the libraries, such as Turtle and Wing Turtle. So, for the graphics, the movement, and the images, time, which is for time for the high score, like the settings. And then randomness, which is the movement. And okay, now here's the settings. Delay, which is 0.1, how much score we get, and our high score. So what's our highest? And pause. So meaning will the game pause? No. But there's a wrap mode. So if the snake gets wrapped, right? Then we restart. And the theme of the snake would be neon. Now, theme. So this is for the snake, okay? So here's just the colors. And now, colors, which is the theme. So colors is the theme. Then we set up the screen. We add the width and height, the title, right? Set up the screen. Now we have to make its head. So we add the shape, which is going to be a square, the colors of the snake, which is neon, and go to, so the coordinates, okay? Start from the origin, where it starts from. And pen up basically means like the border, okay? And that direction, so where it's gonna stop basically. And then we add the food. So the food, I'll show you, okay? It's gonna be like this red circle thing, okay? Then segments. So now we make the scoreboard here. We add the color, set up the pen, the coordinates, and write the high score, align in the center and put the font, and how big should we put it, right? Now the function. So to go up, head dot directions, which was up there, right? Is not equal to down, but it's equal to up. So go down. If the head direction is not equal to up, then it goes down. If go left. So if the direction of this head doesn't go right, then it will go to left. Same thing for right. And toggle pause means, well, the game pause, so it's not paused, okay? And restart. So if we like wrap around, if the snake is wrapped, we restart. So we stop at that direction. So for second segment, okay, which was up here, somewhere up there. Seg.goto. So here are the coordinates for the segments. The score, so we add the score, delay, and we have to update the score too. Once we eat that red thing, then we update the score, so the pen is gonna be clear, and we write the score, high score, and add the font and the alignment. Then to move, so move up, down, left, right, and we add the coordinates. Now for the keyboard, because we need to use our arrow keys to go up, down, left, right? So this is what we're gonna do on key press. And then here's the main game. So this is gonna be the loop. It just keeps on going and going. So while true, the screen updates if it's paused, the time sleep would be 1.0, which is the delay. The wraparound mode, which is here. So if the snake is wrapped. So here would be the coordinate. So else, the border collision, right? If it hits the border, we restart. Food collision. So if it hits the food, then we add a new score, right? And here is the shape for the segment and the colors. And the score would be 10. But we could add anything here, like 5, 100, 1,000. Like, oh, we'll just add that. So if the score is greater than high score, the high score is going to be our score. Let's say if our high score is 240, and our score right now is 250. Then our high score would be 250. And then we update the score. Now we move the body, and that's it. Okay? Um, okay, here. Alright, so here's how it's gonna look like. Okay, so we start. We move that. See? Once we get wrapped around, then, okay, then we restart. Okay? So you may not see the border because the screen is black, right? So let's all right. Or is okay, then it keeps on going. So what if I get wrapped around? See? Well, I got wrapped around there, so we restart. And here's our high score. Okay, so let's say if we pass that, then whatever score it is there. So if we pass that, like yeah, I'll show you an example. So we're close. So let's say my score is 15, whatever, right? And my like 15, let's say that's my high score. And my score is 20. Then whatever that score is, so my score is 20, that's gonna now be my high score. So here I'll show you an example. So 4 more. 11 and 12, so we're close. Okay. So our score is the same as high score. Now look. Our score is bigger than our high score. Now the high score ups it to whatever this is. Because that's higher than our high score. Okay, so we stopped it. So thank everyone for listening to my video. Okay? For explaining the code for the snake game. I hope you like it, and bye.